By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fall. The lines was well said by the famous scientist Benjamin Franklin. The scientist that finds the electric charge means the positive and negative charge. So, as you know, for doing great discoveries, great plans are important. Because if a person did not plan their way in a right way, then discoveries was too far. They cannot even live their life in a productive manner. So, friends, how and why the planning is so important for our life, and how planning can act as the backbone of our life, and how we can plan our day in the methods described in this video to change our life, we are discussing in this video. So friends, you have to see the video till end to know the every basics to advance of planning. So friends, before starting, if you liking my content or you get some kind of knowledge from my videos, then please hit the like button and also press the subscribe button and the bell icon, so more and more people can see my video and get the notification of them before everyone. So friends, you have to be the part of the community to work with me on a productivity road. So friends, in this video we are going to talk about how to plan your day in an efficient manner. So friends, without wasting more time, let's get started. So the first point you have to consider is plan your day a night before. The main reason of doing that to remove the suffering of planning your day at the start of your day, and it is not recommended because at the start of your day or at the beginning of your day you have a morning routine, and if you give a lot of time in planning your day in the morning, then your morning routine will disturb. Due to that, it is always recommended you have to plan a night before, because at the night time you have enough time to think carefully about your prioritized tasks, and you can also arrange them priority wise. Why it is important, we will talk in the next one. So it is very important to plan your day in advance, and the best time is the previous night, because at the previous night after completing that day task, it is the very best time to plan your day, to think what was important, what events for tomorrow, what task I have to do, and what are my deadlines. And after considering every that thing or arranging all the data, you can write down it in your planner or it in your to-do or schedule. So it is the best time. So the second point was always write your task priority wise. And why it is important? The answer is, if you write your task priority wise, means the most high priority task at the top of your schedule or to-do list and the most lowest priority task at the bottom of the to-do list, then it is very good. Because when you are or whenever you starting completing your to-do list or schedule, you will see the task with most high priority at the top, and you start with that particular task. And due to that, as much you are completing your task, you are completing your most important task. So at the end, if you don't have the time to complete the unimportant task, there is no matter. But in the case you complete your unimportant task and the most important one lies in the bottom, and you forget it, and at the time you have to suffer from many problems, because the important tasks are maybe assignments, maybe important work that have to be done on that day. So it is important to write the task with most high priority at the top and the low priority task at the bottom. So now the third point is, it is not highly recommended, but it is an optional plan that can help. And that point is that you can use planners to organize your day. And why you have to use planners? As you see that there are lots of planners in market available with columns of different sections. For example, you have different kind of planners in which you will get the monthly section, the weekly section and the daily section. Due to that, you can plan your month in advance, your week in advance and in your day in advance. Due to that, at the time you are planning your next day, you have all the events on the monthly planner and the weekly planner. Due to that, it don't take much time to plan your daily task. You have just to write your daily task, and the events you can take directly from your weekly or your monthly planner, and it will save a lot of time. And not also that, a planner will separate your events with your tasks, important birthdays or important dates, so you can see the overall view in an organized manner, so you did not feel confused or congested that what are today. So what is today, that means that all the things are in different sections. For example, all the important dates, important meetings, important reminders, important events are in different sections, and due to that you can complete every task by seeing them in an organized manner. So the fourth and the last point was do not overload. Do not overloading means, as you can see, there are various kind of tasks in our daily life. For example, the task with highest priority, the task with medium priority, the task with low priority, or the task with no priority. No priority tasks are such tasks we can complete that particular task or we can not complete that particular task. It don't cause any kind of effect on our life. So you have to throw out that particular kind of task to your free time. So they don't make you feel congested while completing the task, because if you take those tasks in your daily list, then you have too many tasks and you will confuse which task has to done firstly and which task has to not done firstly. So it is important to keep prioritized tasks or those tasks which is important to complete today in your daily list, and you will throw out the else task in that particular list for your free time. So these were the points you can use to plan your day in a more efficient manner. If you have liked this video or get any kind of knowledge from this video, please hit the like button. If you want to read more briefly about that particular planning technique, you can click on my blog link that was given in the description and visit my blog and read the full article. So friends, share your ideas and suggestions of the next videos in the comment section. I will read them, and if the ideas were appropriate, I will work on them. So friends, that's all for today. If you like my videos, hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to be a part of community. So we will go together on a productivity path by holding the hands of each other. So friends, that's all for today. Till then, Puneet Sharma is signing off.